What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you see, we are talking about two different type of Kyries. We got the Kyrie red carpet, Kyrie 4 red carpets, which came out around the time of the Uncle Drew movie. And then we got the Kyrie lows, which just recently dropped. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. They are kind of similar in color, but not. I want to get your opinions on both of these. Which one you guys think is brighter, better, uglier, whatever. Let's go ahead and talk about these shoes. Before we get into the video, smash the like button, share the video, and of course leave comments. I like to read all the comments. I respond. Positive energy is what's heavily encouraged on this channel. And of course, if you are new, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be updated on everything else going on your boy Bossco's channel. Without further ado, let's talk about these shoes. You dig? Okay, first of all, I don't even know where we start at. Both of these shoes are pretty crazy. Both of these came out in 2018. This one in October. This one around maybe August or something like that. I'm not too sure. I'm forgetting at the moment. Forgive me. I know I might forget up on the dates. But I don't know, man. They both are pretty similar in colors, even though this one has a little bit more of a pinkish look and this one has more of like a pinkish orange look. I don't know. Let me know. You guys be the judge. The pictures might be able to do it some justice, to make you guys see the difference in the colorways. I like this Kyrie 4. This one is, like I said, one of my favorite ones, the Kyrie 4 red carpet. The only Kyrie so far that dropped with some patent leather on it. Gold Nike check. Shoe is pretty dope, man. Let me know what you guys think about the Kyrie 4 red carpets. If you guys like these shoes, did you go after them? Did you not care? Do you think these are ugly? Let me know your thoughts on these bad boys. I like the gold Nike check. Like this little velvet stuff going on around the collar, bro. This is pretty dope. And for the sake of the video, if you have not seen my review on these, I will do up close and personal visual of both of these shoes. Let me know what you guys think about these. Truly, I think these are dope. Selective time to wear them. I mean, unless you're wearing them on the basketball court, that you can wear any time. But you can rock these casually and they will stand out. I like the shoe, man. All one color, that salmon color. I don't know, man. It's pretty dope with the gold Nike check, kind of like a plated Nike check going on right here. Fire shoe in my opinion. Nothing else going on besides the mid right here, this mid layer of patent leather going around the shoe, which stands out. No other Kyrie 4 has that. That's why I really like this shoe. That's one of the reasons why I really like this shoe, along with the colorway and the gold Nike check and this thing going on around the collar. It just makes the shoe look real dope and like high end in the sense for a Kyrie 4 for a Nike basketball shoe. Only $120 retail. Fire shoe right there. And then we got these bad boys right here, which just dropped. The Kyrie Low, and this is called the Hot Punch colorway. Hence the color. I guess this whole color is pretty much Hot Punch. And then this is like a pink. I like how the strap over here, this strap, if you feel it, has like a velvet. It's like a velvet strap, bro. This is pretty fire. I mean, you got to add some different things to this type of shoe with this color, with it standing out like that. And this pink velvet strap goes with kind of the pink outsole. It's a multicolor outsole, but the base of it is like a light pink colorway. Nike zoom on the front and back of the shoe. Typical Kyrie Low. I was about to call it the Kyrie 4 Low, which I used to call it. Then I realized it's called a Kyrie Low. Kyrie's number on the back of the shoe, logo on the tongue. Nothing special going on the inside, just a Nike check. No signature here like there is on the red carpet. The red carpet doesn't have a signature, but it has his logo, his all-seeing eye logo. Very dope shoe, man. But I want to know what you guys think about these bad boys right here. Which one would you guys pick if you had an opportunity? These retail at $120, these retail at $110, so the price point is not much different. But they are low cut shoe to a mid cut shoe. Both of them are basketball shoes, so you hoopers out there who rock shoes, would you guys rock with either one of these shoes on the court based on the colorway or the model itself? This is a great shoe for hooping in. The Kyrie 4 in general is just a great shoe for hooping in. I'm not too sure about the Kyrie Lows, but I've heard great things about them. Never done an on court with these. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on these bad boys, man. That's why I do these videos. I want to know your feedback on all the different shoes I come across. I want to get the feedback from the people to see what's going on out there, man. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, you already know you got to smash the like button so your boy knows you like this type of content and to keep going with it. Of course, leave comments on anything you see here, anything you got questions on. I'll answer to the best of my ability. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and without further ado, let's check out some highlights of these shoes, and I'm out. Peace.